Guys, welcome to my channel. So from today I'm going to vlog for my husband's birthday. So it's like his birthday is actually tomorrow. So we'll start by midnight today. We'll start all the celebrations by midnight, and it will go on till the end of the week, that is till Sunday. So I'll try and vlog the entire event and whatever we do for his birthday. I'm very excited, and I think so is the birthday boy. Woo! So let's see. Stay tuned. What's happening? Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Tejas. Woo! My dog says to you, Bobo.
Hmm?
Ooh. Tejas. Birthday, Tejas. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Thank you. Mm,
Tejas.
Thank you.
Oh yeah. Has woken up. What's your plan for today? Say hi to my fans.
Hello.
Happy birthday. They all
Thank
wishing
you.
you.
Thank
They want
you.
to know your plans for the day roughly.
So I'm gonna go to the gym.
Hmm.
Then I'm gonna go to the temple.
Hmm.
Then I'm gonna have order lunch from out.
Hmm.
Then I'll be going shopping
Hmm. With whom?
with my wifey.
Hmm. And then?
And then we cut my cake. Surprise cake.
First, we need to bring that cake and then cut it.
Yes.
Yes, we'll be going for cake hunting today.
Yes.
Yeah, and then
And then we're gonna go for dinner with family.
dinner, family dinner. Your family.
Finally, unlock 5.0.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Enjoy your day. We'll be capturing you every now and then.
Alright.
Oh, there are already calls and messages. Oh my God, so many.
Yes.
For the gym, all set?
Yes. All set.
Okay, bye
It's my
bye.
customary. It's
Enjoy.
my customary gym day. I've never missed gym in about 15 years,
Oh my God.
and I won't break that tradition.
Oh,
See you.
see you. Enjoy. I'll
Thank
see
you.
you back then. Guys, I am back. As you all know, Taz has gone to the gym and I'm utilizing this time to get ready. So sorry for this. I have applied some oil in my hair and some face mask. So post that I'll go for a shower. But I just thought that it is going to be a little hectic for us, so I might not get time to sit and talk with you all. So I'm going to utilize this time to talk with you all specially and also show you all the gifts that I have planned for him. Okay, so the first gift that I planned for him was this silver coin. It's written happy birthday over here and with a cake, and behind it is written that someone I love was born today. So it's like a 50-gram silver coin, and I thought, on birthdays we do buy many other things, but we should buy something like this which has some value over a period of time, so it stands worth for the person whom you are gifting. Second gift what I thought was of that he loves traveling. So I don't know if many of y'all know this, but they just loves traveling. So currently I wanted to take him somewhere outside, I mean out of India, but currently, as you know, because of COVID-19 there is no chance of me taking him there also. I mean, few places have opened up like Dubai and all, but we are yet not confident to, we and our families are not confident to send us there. So, but still, if not all, at least some, I have planned a birthday trip for him to Pune, Oakwood. So we have taken an apartment in Pune, and in the weekend, I mean today is Thursday, which is his actual birthday, and on Saturday we leave, and for one night we are going to Pune Oakwood Residency apartment in Koregaon Park. So yes, I'm going to sponsor that trip for him. So that is my second gift. So for guys, actually, I mean all the girls who might be, either somebody's wife or daughter or a friend might be facing this same issue, that you all might not be able to think of a particular gift for a guy, because guys have it all and they are not interested in a particular kind of a gift, like, shopping items and all, not much. So it always becomes a problem for the girls what to give their on their birthdays or anniversaries. So I feel these are two good ideas. Either if they are travelers, give them a travel trip, or maybe, as I said, buy something precious for them which will just act as an asset for them ahead. So these will be the most valuable and thoughtful gifts for them. Apart from these two gifts, these two were like my main gifts, but I also picked up few, items, like small items which I found very cute and I wanted to gift him on his birthday, because otherwise he does not take much from me. So okay, this is, as all of you all know, let me show you. He's a big Arsenal fan. Our entire bedroom is like, covered with these posters and stuff. So you all know he's a big Arsenal fan. He's a gooner. And so I just got this from Amazon. It's like an Arsenal mask. So I bought two of them, one for him and one for me, because he has made me also a gooner it now. So yes, this is like his customized Arsenal mask. And the next gift which I thought of was, okay, I've not packed it yet. I've not got the time to pack it yet. It's like a neon color t-shirt. It will be used maybe for his gym purpose, or he can wear it outside also. These days people do wear such poppy colors outside when they are going for like a chill night or something. So yeah, that's like a t-shirt for him. Second thing, I don't know if you all can see, but it is packed. I mean, it is bubble wrapped and I don't want to remove it before he opens it. I want him to open it. So this is like a Z shape beard comb for him. So I always saw that he faces some issue while shaping his beard. And so I think this is a good tool for him to, like, it will work as a stencil plus comb for shaping his beard. So I thought this was a useful gift. So I picked this up. Next thing is, if you all know him, along with being a die-hard Arsenal fan, he is a big gym enthusiast. So he loves working out. He has been working out for almost 15 years now, and he's very regular and disciplined about it. So I thought, why not include one flavor of my gift to that section as well. So this is like a home gymming tool. This is like an ab maker. So yes, you can, I mean, maybe after in one of my other videos I can show you all how to use this, but yeah, this is like, you can just put your legs, these are paddles where you can put your legs, and then you can stretch this, hold it with your hand and stretch it like this. So it's basically for your abs. So yes, he can work out for his abs at home as well now. There's no need for him to go to gym. It has become essential, these days, to have something at home as well, such home equipments, because you never know, when things shut down, when things open up. So yes, although we do have a building gym, but they shut the building gym too, when things are worse, for the precautionary measures. So yeah, I felt, this will be useful at that time. Okay, now this thing is already wrapped. So from I got it from Archie's, but I got it already wrapped. So I don't want to open it now. But I'll tell you what is inside it. It is like an Arsenal wallet. So I kind of focused on, buying some Arsenal merchandise only. So this is like an Arsenal wallet. So maybe someday when I can show you all after it opens up, I'll do post it. So yeah, I think these were, and also regarding the cake. So for cake, actually I have planned a theme cake to take on our trip, which we are going on Saturday. But I'm not going to reveal much about it because I don't know if he sees this video, he'll come to know. But yeah, it's a theme cake. What theme is it? I don't know. I mean, I'm not going to say it. I know it, but I'm not going to say it. So I will act as if I don't know, and it is going to come tomorrow, so I can take it along with me on Saturday because we are going to have a cake cutting ceremony over there as well. We are going with two of our close friends. They are going to accompany us, Zarna and CNG. I mean, his name is Darshan, we call him CNG. So they're going to accompany us and we're going to celebrate his birthday. It's going to be an extended celebration over there as well. So that theme cake will go over there. For today, I had planned actually a cake from someone else, but I mean that lady actually called me up saying that maybe she's not feeling well and she does not want to take chance of giving me a cake because I don't know, she's seeing some symptoms. So yeah, that got cancelled at the last moment, and so now I've decided that while I go to shop for my today, actually we have planned to go to Shoppers Stop to buy. I also wanted to gift him a new like a new shirt for his birthday to wear today. But we did not have any chance in the week because of our offices to go and shop. So we'll be going today after he's back from the gym, and after post lunch we'll go. So at that time I'll just take him along and go to the cake basket to pick up a cake which he likes for today, and we'll also shop. So that is also one more part of my gift section. I've kept it pending for him because I want him to select the shirt that he likes and then gift him, so that we'll shop today. So yeah, this is all about the gifts that I thought of. If y'all can think of any other gifts which y'all can give to, guys, then do let me know in my comment section. And now I'll go and have a shower and I'll see you back. I'm out of the shower and Taz is also back from the gym, and he's busy attending his birthday calls and replying to the messages. Post that he'll be going for a shower and then he'll be going to the temple for puja. So after that we will have lunch. So I will see if I can capture something. I mean, if I can capture him in his puja's attire, and then maybe I can cover up the lunch. Yeah, stay tuned. The boy ready now. He has taken a shower and he's going to the temple.
Yes.
Already. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
See you at the lunch.
See you.
Bye.
You just
Hello.
taste. Let's see all it.
So he's up for the lunch.
Yes.
What are you having? South Indian?
South Indian.
Okay. We have mom and dad as well for the lunch. So yeah, enjoy your lunch.
Thank you.
Mom has made fruit salad especially for Tejas. So he will be relishing that as well.
Happy birthday, Tejas. Thank you.
Happy birthday. Now we are out. Post the lunch, we are out for some shopping. As I said, we are going to pick a good shirt for him today to wear, and then post that we'll go to buy his cake.
Yes.
So yeah, come along. Hamre saath ma.
Kamaria.
Happy birthday! Blushing. I think we have reached Shoppers Stop. I can see it in the opposite side. Yay! Birthday boy ready to get pampered.
Yeah. Yeah.
So, ready to shop?
Yep.
Okay.
Get started.
Everything is yours. Go explore and shop till your heart's content. Yes. Hi.
What are you shopping?
Shopping I'm so confused. Like I thought girls shopping was difficult, but I think boys shopping is way difficult for me. You can shop for me like for a number of times, but for guys it's difficult. I'm not finding anything good for you.
You will. Persistence pays.
I hope so.
Alright, bye.
Finally, we have found something. He's in the trial room trying it, and I'm waiting outside. Let's hope it fits him well. Guys, we are done from here. Unfortunately, we did not get the shirt, but we got shorts for him.
Yes, which is very good.
So I'm kind of a little disappointed because I did not get the shirt that I was looking for him. Because I wanted him to wear that shirt today when we go for the dinner. But any which ways, maybe we'll see. We'll buy it later when we get, some good piece. Now we are heading to the cake shop to quickly grab the cake for the evening. And post that, we are feeling a little tired now. So we'll be heading home and then sleeping for a while before we go for the actual dinner and party and stuff. So yeah. To reach Cake Basket. Birthday boy will choose the cake.
This is a...
Death by chocolate, no? You like this?
This one looks good. Which are this options? ये नीचे वाला कौन सा स्टफ है?
Yes, sir.
ये हाफ केजी है. इसका कितना?
550.
Okay, let's head home.
Received this from my in-laws.
We
Let's see
did
what it is. It's gonna
yeah,
be
they have left
sweet.
us. They have left some parcel in our building for him.
Excited to.
Yeah, let's
open.
go up and see what it is. So I have got ready for the party and the cake cutting, and birthday boy is getting ready. So after this, after he gets ready, we'll have cake cutting and the gifting ceremony, and then we'll leave for the dinner. We're going to Barbecue Nations in Bandra, so we have a booking over there for 7:30. So yeah, we are in a little rush right now, but yes, I will capture all of this.
So from Hindu, Siddharth from Lyon, Nita Mohan from India today, and Anita Joshua from Telegraph.
Okay, earlier people who had taken a positive note of it, visiting Pakistan's role in the Pulwama attack, now seem to be going on a different...
Happy birthday to you. Blow the candles.
Wait.
Come for dinner to Barbecue Nation, and here we are going to get treat from Tejas. He has decided this place in Bandra to give treat to all of us. So yes, we're just hunting for the parking place and then we'll be inside. Taking all the precautions. This is our table. So I have come early and I have checked all the settings and the sanitization is done correctly and the table is ready. Mom, Dad and Tejas are just hunting for parking and I just came and caught the table. So yes, I'm waiting for them now. They'll be coming soon. After so many days, we have come out like this for dining. It feels good. It has been so many months since we have not come for dining and we used to only order at home. This feels something different. But yes, we have made sure we come only to places where, people have taken care of sanitization properly. So the party has started. Barbecue. Birthday boy, what are you going to hawk first? You're shooting me, I'm shooting you. What are you going to hawk
Paneer
first?
for sure.
Paneer. Okay. Let's start. Taraf se.
मेरी तरफ.
So show us what you're giving in the party. Here's the spread. We are already done with the starters. And now this is like, I don't know, so many type of salads. Everything is closed. I don't know what is inside it, but it's like a huge spread. We have booked a buffet for everybody over here. Do you want to have a look at the desserts? Where are they?
Brownies, tarts, pastries.
Again pastries. Then there's some Indian firni kind of a thing.
Rasmalai.
Yeah, and then fresh cut fruits and all set.
That's the hot dessert.
Oh, there's a hot dessert counter as well.
Kulfi dish.
This is kulfi. Oh, gulab jamun and halwa. Okay, moong dal halwa. And here,
Strawberry ice cream
okay, and there is ice cream counter.
and vanilla ice cream.
Okay. But now everything in C.
Biryani.
Wait.
Rice.
Okay, there's biryani and rice. Interesting.
Dal makhani.
Oh, your favorite dal makhani mixed veg. Sabz bahar, what we said, before.
Paneer.
Pindi chole and paneer sabzi. Oh my god, it smells so yummy.
Noodles.
My favorite, my favorite. Yeah, this is completely my section.
The
This
entire plate is going on the table.
this entire thing. Yeah, shifted to my table. So my viewers don't know I'm a big Chinese lover.
Soup.
This is fresh lemon coriander soup. I'm going to grab this first. Started filling his main course in the plate. What are you planning to eat?
Dal makhani.
Dal makhani. Dal makhani is his favorite. So a lot of dal makhani will go inside the plate.
Not a lot because I've already had so many samples.
Yeah. But that's your favorite, no?
I'm waiting for desserts.
Desserts. So you'll have only little in the main course and then the desserts.
I'm going to binge on desserts.
Then I should capture you while you're taking desserts.
I know you're taking the wrong video.
What are you taking?
Paneer.
Oh, he loves paneer also.
I'm just gonna
He's a
take it.
die-hard paneer fan.
Chole.
Pindi chole? No?
I'll take a look.
Chinese. That I'll be taking, dude.
So, can I take it from your plate?
Yeah, I'll allow you to take some.
Or do you want to call for more? I think this won't be sufficient. This is not sufficient. for
No,
you,
that's
for sure.
okay for today. It's okay. I'm on a diet.
Okay, I'm done.
Having the buffet, but I'm on diet. in this diet, I have to eat more rather than eating less.
Biryani and biryani.
Biryani?
I'm done.
No?
I'll call for the rotis at the table.
Birthday boy is too calorie conscious, huh?
Of course. How do you think I'm so fit?
No, you should be eating everything and still you should be fit.
Okay, I'm done now.
Can I take mine? So, we are on our table eating the main course and he is waiting to go to the dessert.
Of course. She's only having Chinese, as you can see. This is our third round.
But that's the only Jain thing available which they have made for me. But I'm glad what I like the most, they have made it Jain. So yes, I'm enjoying my Chinese. Thank you, Taz, for this treat. I enjoyed this
Enjoy.
thoroughly. Yeah. See you when we have the desserts. Started the dessert section. Mom, what are you eating?
I'm eating malai kulfi
Okay.
and Oreo kulfi and
Oh.
gulab jamun
Oh.
And pastry and firni.
and firni.
And Dad, what you are eating?
Pan kulfi.
Oh, there's lovely pan kulfi over here.
Pastry, chocolate pastry.
This is moong dal.
Syrup.
Moong dal halwa.
Moong dal halwa.
Yeah, and pastries. Yeah. Enjoy. We'll go and get us. Come. He has started his dessert section now.
I'll take one of each.
What you're taking, you need to tell us.
This is brownie, chocolate brownie.
Okay.
This is chocolate pastry.
Okay.
This is butterscotch, I think butterscotch.
Pastry.
Butterscotch and
Pineapple
strawberry.
pastry. Pineapple pastry. Yeah. Firni actually,
Then
we have not got good reviews, so we're not taking.
I'm not going to take the tart also. I'm not a big fan of tarts.
No tart. Okay.
That's all from this side.
What else? Gulab jamuns. Okay, we have moong dal halwa and gulab jamun.
I'll take two small ones.
Okay. No moong dal halwa. You also have ice cream.
No ice.
Kulfi.
I'm not taking it.
Okay, there's a, as I told you before, there's a kulfi nation. Like there are a lot of kulfis, right? Waiting for your turn. Which ones you are gonna take? All of them?
All six.
All six variants.
Okay, sounds good.
Ah.
Some flavor. You can take it.
All six flavors he's going to have. My God.
Kesar pasta. Pan.
Mango.
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 तीन करके दे दो ना 2 प्लेट में. मलाई. Oreo. Strawberry.
ओके
Six
और इस पे आप अभी टॉपिंग्स डालोगे. He is putting toppings on it.
रबड़ी. Oreo.
हाँ, don't mix the pan flavor.
Strawberry top.
हाँ. So he has toppings for all the kulfis. Okay.
पान का अलग रख दो.
नहीं चलेगा साथ में ही कर.
अरे पान का टेस्ट अलग है.
Okay. So on pan he's putting gulkan. Yeah.
खस्सी.
Okay.
Mango top.
Wow. He's all set to eat it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, we are done with our desserts and now we are leaving. Had a very great and stomach filling
With
experience.
probably 5 kgs gained.
I might be 10 plus. I have gained 10 kgs. You can see my face. It looks so round now. Already, I need to hit gym tomorrow for sure. You too?
Yes, of course.
Yeah. But this was his birthday, and yeah, there's one more session. I mean, the vlog. I cannot end the vlog till he sees my gifts. So yeah, I'll see you there. Unboxing all the gifts.
Yes. This is like from mom and dad. Cash should become rich now.
Kamai gyo.
Cash rich. This is this is sponsored from Disha. This is like a trip to Pune which has been sponsored by Disha. There's cash for that.
No, the other gift where you forgot this one, then you have to pick up. ये एक्सरसाइज लेना पहले आते थे. एब्स थे, एब्स पग हाथ બધું.
Silver coin.
My name is Virat Kohli and I write my success story myself.
50 grams. 50 grams silver coin.
Customized. You didn't read the message which is written behind. There's some message written behind.
क्योंकि आ गया है सनफिट एटमॉस का नया जमाना पेश है लाइफली पैंट्स इसका डबल स्ट्रेचेबल वेस्ट बैंड वाला
Someone I love was born today.
Today.
Today. 50 grams.
अच्छा भी लगा है वो पाछળ
એ કસ્ટમાઇઝ છે
अच्छा
Customize it.
બેબી નું કરાવ્યું છે ને
હા આથી તમને This is
Shorts. Yes. So we went to buy a shirt, but then I got shorts.
it was such a flop show.
Matching shirt.
એની સાથે એને white પહેરવું છે He said,
Arsenal mask. I need to wear this now.
ના એટલે ઓનલાઈન મળતું હતું હા બધું ઓનલાઈન સર્ચ
I hope this is going to protect
આ બધા મારા પાર્સલ પર પાર્સલ આના જ આવતા હતા બધા ગિફ્ટના
Special nano.
proper guna
Yes. Guna. Guna.
yeah you're guna you're not a gunner dude જે ફેન્સ હોય ગુનર હોય જે પ્લેયર્સ હોય ગનર્સ હોય આમાં ગુનરેટ છોકરીઓ ગુનરેટ જે પ્લેયર્સ હોય ને ગનર્સ કહેવાય આ ગુનરેટ એટલે ઈ ગનર નહીં પ્લેયર ગનર આ ગુનર અને આ ઓલા ગનર એમ આ બધું જ્ઞાન આ ભાઈ સાહેબે જ આપ્યું છે This is ab cruncher, yeah. No, so you have to sit. Actually, you'll have to sit down and do it. Aim nahi. You'll have to sit like this proper. हाँ. સુઈ એટલે આમ બેસી જા નીચે અને લાંબા કર પગ આપણે જીમમાં ઓલી એક્સરસાઇઝ કરે જ ને એવી હા એ પેડલ્સમાં નાખ બે પગ ઓલો બી નાખ and then you have to pull apart
Acupressure પણ છે કે આ
હા તો એમાં જ હોય એમાં પેડલ્સમાં હા પોઈન્ટ્સ ઇટ્સ લાઈક એન એપ ક્રન્ચર યા યુ કેન ગો લાઈક ધીસ
It's like rowing.
આપણે કરીએ છીએ ને જીમ પર ઓલું બટ આ ધીસ ઇઝ લાઈક અ ફ્રી રોઈંગ કાઇન્ડ
Back માટે છે. This is actually for back.
This cheating is already seated.
I say this about
જોઈ લીધેલું
money
એ
back.
અને મારું આવ્યું એ ખોલી જોઈ લીધેલું મેં કીધું
I like that.
હા યા
Gym t-shirt.
It's not like a gym t-shirt. You are making it a gym t-shirt. You can wear it otherwise also.
Beard comb.
This is like beard shaper. Comb and shaper. તો હવે તારે આ લાઇન્સ કરવા માટે તને ઇઝીલી એક ટૂલ મળી ગયું તને હંમેશા આમ કરવામાં પ્રોબ્લેમ થાય છે ને હા તો એ સ્ટેન્સિલની જેમ રાખીને કરી શકે It's a kind of a stencil for your beard.
મારી presence
એક મહિનાથી બધી ભેગી કરું છું હું ગતિનું
Is this a wallet? Is this a wallet?
એક ખાલી ખબર હતી એને હા એ જોઈ લીધેલું
Wallet? Key holder.
ના ઓલરેડી કરીને આપ્યું તું જ્યાંથી હું લાવી ને આચીસમાંથી એ કપે કરીને આપ્યું છે
Oh yes.
So these were
COYG. Come on, you guys.
come on you gunners.
Gunners.